Alia Bhatt channeled Rekha's iconic Silsila look at the Umrao Jaan re-release, and I really wanted to try it. I just love how natural, glowy, and beautiful Alia looks, and I really wanted to recreate this video for you. So if you want to check this out, let's get started with today's video. I have got a raging pimple there and I have changed my skincare routine, starting off with a Thayer's Milky Toner. I'm using more restorative products on the skin so that it doesn't irritate the pimple anymore. Going in with the Snail Mucin Essence, I feel this to be very hydrating and it helps repair my skin to an extent. I like dabbing the product in. And then I'm going in with the Snail Mucin Cream. It is nice, but it's a bit tacky, but I also feel it's really hydrating on my skin, which is what it needs at the moment. And finally, I'm applying the Bioderma Barrier Repair Cream. This is not too thick, but is very soothing to the skin. And finally, I'm applying a lip balm by Nude Sticks. And their skincare is done. Now to start off our makeup routine, I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This tutorial is going to be filled with drugstore products only. I'm using this primer because it's nice and tacky and it grips onto my makeup. And that's priming done. Next up, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Glotion. This is going to give me that ultimate glow that I'm looking for, which gives Alia that beautiful glowy skin. Look at that instant glow. For color corrector, I'm using the Catrice Under Eye Brightener. And with the Anisa Beauty brush, I'm going to be color correcting all the darkness that I have. Blend it out with your finger for a more natural finish. This gives a no makeup look and it also makes the skin look very natural. So I apply small amounts, especially on the lip, and blend downwards. And look at the color correction this product is giving. Now with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, I'm going to be applying this over the color corrector. A concealer will give you more added coverage, so it will help cover up any darkness pretty quickly. And now you can blend it out either with a brush, sponge or fingers. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. You can see how the face is coming together with a few products itself. For foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. And with my Anisa Pinnacle foundation brush, I'm blending that in. I have listed all the products I'm using in this tutorial in the description box. Before heading to eye makeup, let's go ahead and work on our eyebrows. I like to comb the brow hair first and then I fill it in with a pencil. I usually like going a shade lighter, otherwise my brows look a bit too harsh and a bit too blocky. And to seal the brow hair in place, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. And now, let's go ahead to our eye makeup. Starting off, let's use the Maybelline concealer and apply that on the eyelids. With the ColourPop Smoke and Roses palette and the shade Look at Me, with the E35 brush, let's apply that to the outer corner of the eye. You want to blend that into the crease too. Think of this as your transition shade. Back into the same shade, we're going to build up the color again. With the shade Angel Eyes and the Rekha 01 brush, which is a flat one, tap the eyeshadow on the eyelid. Tapping the eyeshadow will increase the pigment and you'll also have better control on the eyeshadow. With the same shade and brush, apply that to the bottom lash line. You do not want to make this very thick, otherwise for brown skin tones, it can look as if we have been bruised on the eye. And now with a blending brush, blend those colors in together. Going in with the e.l.f. Smoky Kohl eyeliner, I want you to apply this close to the lashes. And with a smudging brush, smudge that out softly. So again, apply this close to the lashes and then smudge it all out with a smudging brush. With the shade Smoked Out, I want you to set the eyeliner in place. Not only are you going to set the eyeliner, you're also going to increase the smokiness. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. And now with the creamy eyeliner, apply that to your waterline. With the shade Smoked Out again, I wanted to use a pencil brush and apply this very close to the waterline. This is really going to define your eyes. With the shade On Call and on a flat brush, I want you to highlight the brow bone. Blend it slightly with your fingers. Now go in with the shade Wild Side and apply that to the inner corner of the eye. Go ahead and curl your lashes to get that beautiful lifted look. And using the Maybelline Bubble Mascara, I'm going to be applying this at least 2 to 3 times on the lashes. After this, you may even apply false lashes if you'd like. Look at that beautiful lift this mascara is giving. Apply that to your bottom lashes too. And there you go guys, this is the eye makeup done for Alia Bhatt. Now let's go ahead and complete the rest of our face. For highlighter, I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones. Blend it out with your finger so that it doesn't look streaky and you don't have a harsh line. You can even apply this to any high points where the light naturally hits the face. For textured skin, avoid applying it on any texture and make sure you're blending it out well with your finger. Now I'm using the NYX Buttermelt Bronzer, and with the Chesup F02 brush, I'm going to be bronzing my face. Alia looked absolutely stunning, and she had a very bronzed up look as well. So I'm using this bronzer to recreate that. Again, all the products and shade names are mentioned in the description. To set my face, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect powder, but before that, I'm gonna be removing out any creases in my makeup. And I'm tapping the powder in place to give out that blurred out finish. I highly recommend this product if you want that beautiful blurring look. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. For lip liner, I'm using the ColourPop Lippie pencil, and I'm going to be removing any remains of the lip balm. And now I'm going to line the lips. Take your time at this step. Now I want you to fill in the lips slightly with the lip liner because this adds to the tackiness. Blend that out with your finger so that it doesn't look harsh. And now with my Revlon lipstick, I'm going to be applying this on the lips. This is a cream lipstick, and I feel that this finish would add to the glowiness on the face. You do not want a very matte lipstick. But again, it's up to your preference. Now to set the face, I'm using the NYX setting spray, and I'm using the foundation brush to press it all in. And there you go guys, this is my recreation of Alia's look. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from this. If you're going to recreate it or you love the video, please leave it down in the comments. And as always, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.